Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to install Philips HSP 3800 Outdoor 360 Wi-Fi camera. If you're looking for the best outdoor security camera that offering you a full 360 degrees view to cover wide areas, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, let's discuss some key features of the camera. The Philips HSP 3800 Outdoor 360 Wi-Fi camera features a 360 degrees wide-angle view, motion detection, and night vision for round-the-clock security. It also supports real-time alerts, two-way audio, and remote monitoring through the Philips Home Safety app, keeping your home safe and connected anytime. Now unbox the camera box. Inside the Philips HSP 3800 Outdoor 360 Wi-Fi camera box, you'll find the camera unit, a power adapter with cable, a mounting kit, screws, plugs, and bracket, and a quick start guide with a QR code for setup. These essentials help you quickly install and connect the camera to your Wi-Fi for use. Pick an outdoor spot with a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Ensure the spot is within range of your Wi-Fi signal, 2.4 GHz supported. Close to a power outlet for continuous operation. Avoid pointing directly at strong light sources for better video quality. Use the provided screws and bracket to fix the camera on a wall, ceiling, or pole. Keep the height around 7 to 10 feet for best coverage. Do not tighten completely yet, you'll adjust angle later. Connect the power adapter to the camera and plug it into a socket. Wait for the LED indicator. Blinking red means camera is in pairing mode. Or steady red means waiting for setup. On your phone, go to Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iOS. Search Philips Home Safety. Download and install the app. Open the app. Sign in with your Philips account. If new, create an account with your email/phone. Verify through OTP or email confirmation. In the app, tap Add Device. Select Outdoor Camera and then HSP 3800. The app may ask to scan the QR code printed on the camera/guide. Follow on-screen prompts. The app will ask you to choose a Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password, must be 2.4 GHz. Wait until the camera confirms connection, LED turns blue/steady white, connected successfully. If it keeps blinking red, repeat setup. Once connected, open live view in the app. Check video quality and angle. If needed, physically adjust the camera position to cover your desired area. Tighten the mounting screws securely. In the Philips Home Safety app, you can enable motion detection alerts. Set privacy mode or recording schedule. Choose cloud storage or SD card if supported. Adjust night vision, audio, and 360 degrees rotation settings. Ensure the camera is stable and weather protected. Test notifications on your phone. Walk in front of the camera to confirm motion alerts are working. That's it. Your Philips HSP 3800 Outdoor 360 Wi-Fi camera is now fully set up and ready to protect your home. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.